about a perfect day in your life. When we now think at a day at home, we think of work, work from home and homework. Now, how do we do this? In today's present scenario of pandemic, when most of the people are working from home, how do we make that work a comfortable place for us? This video mainly focuses on how to separate your professional and personal life while still working from home. Mainly this video focuses on those people who are working from home, but it can be done by anyone. How to unwind in your daily routine is shown in this video.
Today in this video, we are going to learn certain tips and tricks that you can include in your life to make it a perfect one. Morning beverage. Most of us have a habit of having tea and coffee in the morning, and it's perfectly fine. It is like a warm hug in the morning which starts your day with a comfort. Now, nature is known to give you positive energy. Reading the newspaper or spending some time in the nature in morning is definitely going to give you that natural boost of energy that you're looking for throughout the day. It is just the perfect start to your morning with your hot cup of coffee, which is like a warm hug in the morning. A good morning workout is the natural dose of happiness. It releases happy hormones which keeps you fresh and active throughout the day. You can work with functional training, or you could just walk or go around for a run in the nature or even at your home. Exercising is the best way to lift your mood. If you incorporate a very hearty king-size breakfast in your routine, it is going to keep you energetic throughout the day. When you're working from home, you need that extra concentration and focus, which is absolutely going to be given by this essential dose of energy in the morning. When you work from home, it is important that you are in the right mindset. And the best way to attain a work environment is to declutter your desk. Ensure that your desk only has the absolute essentials that are required for you to work. It is absolutely essential that you maintain a list of the things that you're supposed to do on that particular day, which makes you more productive. Working from home is not easy, but yes, we have to ace it. It is not so that you only have to work on your desk. You can also create a small little corner or a little happy space for yourself, which is going to make you feel happy and energized to work even more. The one thing that is absolutely essential in times like these is that you remain mentally at peace. And this peace can come only from the work you do. And the work you do is essential at the place you do it. And if you have a happy place, you have a happy mind. A light lunch is something which is very important. A heavy lunch is definitely going to make you feel sluggish. Afternoon is the time when you can use to cultivate your hobby, or you could do things that make you happy, like reading or maybe watching a Netflix series. Here are certain rituals that even you could follow to make your evening a happy and a very peaceful one. In times like these, meditation is one of the ways to make you feel positive. When we are most certain to think about things in a negative manner, meditation gives us that light which is necessary for us to live a happy life. Talking to our peer group or talking to our friends is always very refreshing. Therefore, calling somebody who you actually wish to talk to is going to give you that extra boost of happiness which you require in the evenings. You must remember, even though we cannot meet people, they are just a call away. A family dinner is one place where we all get this opportunity to share things with each other. It is absolutely going to make you feel loved and happy when you meet your family members, your kids, your parents at the end of the day. Lighting up certain candles is going to make your bedroom absolutely cozy and is going to give you a tight sleep, which is going to prepare you for the hectic day ahead.
So friends, this was a Hugo lifestyle. Now, all days are not similar. Even if you incorporate 3 or 4 elements of the video into your lifestyle, you might feel a difference in your day-to-day practices. I hope you enjoyed this video, and for more such content, please like, share and subscribe.